Hi guys, welcome back to another update on my painting. Now over the past few days I've been doing a bit more painting for you guys, and yes, it's coming along nicely. So yeah, I'll show you in a sec, but first I just want to say that thank you for all your views so far on my last update painting. Keep them coming, guys. And yeah, so now I shall leave you with a glimpse of my painting that I have done for you guys. That I have but I still need to finish though. But I've done a bit more, so we'll be coming up now. So enjoy, guys. So this is my updated painting so far, and then as you guys can see, I've done a bit more. So yeah, I've still got a bit more to do. But yeah, it's looking good so far. And then hopefully, once it's all finished, it will look like this. Hopefully, it will do. But yeah. That's a close up of the painting. So yeah. Like I said, I've still got a bit more to do. Well, yeah, a bit more to do anyway. So, but another update will be coming in a few days. So stay tuned for that, guys. So that was an update on my painting. Now, I will be doing more paint by number paintings after I finish this one. I've been looking in Hobbycraft and I found a few that I want to do. So I will be going over there, and then getting them, and doing them for you guys as well. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. And yeah, there will be more crafts coming up as well this year. Lots more crafts coming up this year, so stay tuned for them. Plus, I'll be going out and about a bit more as well, hopefully, fingers crossed. I want to go out a bit more as well for you guys, so yeah. So yeah, this year I'm hoping to do more videos for you guys and more stuff for you guys. So yeah. Anyway, I shall now leave you with this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. And guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all very soon in the next video. Bye for now, guys.